First thing to do is make sure that your skillet is warm. You don't want it too hot, but you got to have it warm or your eggs are going to stick, especially with cast iron. You can cook with whatever oil or butter that you like. I prefer butter. It gives the eggs a better taste. So I'm going to put a little bit of butter in here. Get it melted down. If it sizzles up too really quick, that means your pan's too hot. Let's get that in there. While that's going on, we'll grab our egg. Now I recommend that you go ahead and you crack it into another dish. That way, if you have any shells or if the egg is bad by some chance, it gives you the opportunity to get it straight before it goes into your final meal. Wash your hands, if you just dealt with a raw egg, and have your spices ready. I like pepper, onion powder, of course a little bit of salt, and garlic. You don't have to use what you like. This is what I like. And in a hot pan, go ahead and add your egg. You should get a little bit of a sizzle. Now while the egg's still a little soft, it's a good time to go ahead and season. Don't mess with the egg, just let it sit there and cook. Right now I'm doing a true fried egg, so we're actually going to pop the yolk. Makes it a little easier to eat on a sandwich or something, or a biscuit. And some people prefer it that way, so I'm going to show it to you that way first. You see it flapping around the sides? That generally means it's pretty nicely cooked and set on the bottom. And if you got a good seasoned pan, get under it, flip it on over, and you're going to go ahead and pop that yolk. That's going to give you a true fried egg, and it goes wonderful with a sandwich. Your choice of bacon, sausage, cheese, yum. Now let's sneak up on that egg. Don't that look kind of good and yummy? I'm going to eat you. Alright, now for somebody like me, I'd go ahead and eat it like this, but some people don't like that soft, so give it one more chance, or one more flip, and you can get that little bit of soft there. Now everybody's going to tell you, you got to cook your eggs this way. I've done come to the conclusion that everybody's taste buds and tastes are different. The way I like mine is going to be different than the way you like yours. So this is just a general template or guide. So got this egg. Like I said, it goes really good with a sandwich, but I don't have all that together at the moment. That'll be another video. But it's hot.